My practice time 3. Subtract by counting backward. Starts from which is the first number? 8. So 8 will write here. Now 4 steps. So we have to count 4 numbers before. Okay. So take 4 finger, 8 in your mind. 8 को आपको माइंड में लेना है और यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर है? 4. उतनी फिंगर्स लेना है. What comes before 8? 8 के पहले क्या आता है? 7, 6, 5, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4. So which number is there in the end? 4. So write down 4. Then 5 minus 2. Start from which number is there? 5. So write down 5 minus 2. So take 2 finger, 5 in your mind. What comes before 5? 5 के पहले क्या आता है? 4, 3. So which number is there in the end? 3. So write down 3 here. Okay. In the same way you can do C and D. Now vertical subtraction. Now we are going to see vertical subtraction. Okay, so like the first one is 8 minus 3. So how we are going to write in vertical? Vertical means in standing line. 8 minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 minus 3. Now we have to put a cross on 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Now horizontal subtraction. Now the next one is horizontal subtraction. Same number will take 8 minus 3. So horizontal means sleeping line. So 8 minus 3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now we are going to put a cross. 1, 2, 3. So 8 minus 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My practice time 4. Cross out to subtract vertically. 9 minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have to put a cross on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. 1, 2, 3 minus 2. So we are going to put a cross on 2. So how much is remaining? 1. So 3 minus 2, 1. Then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 3. So we are going to put a cross on 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 1, 2. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So similarly you can do D, E and F. Now come to the next page. Now subtract horizontally. Okay. 7 minus 3. So how many ladybugs were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Now 6 fishes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to minus 1. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll write down 5. Now caterpillars. How many caterpillars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2. So to put a cross on 2 caterpillars. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So write down 3. Okay. So similarly you can do D, E and F. Now subtracting a 1 digit number from a 2 digit number means 2 digit number से हमें 1 digit number subtract करना है. So now we are going to learn subtracting a 1 digit number from a 2 digit number. Okay. So Revati is having 18 balloons. So when 2 numbers are there, so that is a 2 digit number like 1, 2. Okay. Now 5 of her balloons burst. So what teacher has informed you, when 1 number is there, it will come in the ones place. So 5. First 8 minus 5. Take 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So 3 will write down. Here any number is there? No. Only 1 is there. So 1 we are going to write here. 1, 3, 13. Now my practice time 5. Subtract the following by crossing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now कितना हमें माइनस करना है? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how many are remaining now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we are going to put a cross on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is there. So 1, 5, 15. B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Minus 3. So we are going to put a cross on 3. 1, 2, 3. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 12. Now you can do like this also. 5 minus 3. Okay. 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 2. So 1. Any number is there? No. So 1 we are going to write down. Now question number 2. Subtract by counting backward. 1 has been done for you. Okay, so in this what we are going to do? First we are going to see how many numbers are there. 2. So पहले एक हमें इसके लिए सर्कल बनाना है और जो नीचे नंबर है उतने सर्कल. यहाँ पे ये नंबर और कितने सर्कल है? 3 नंबर है तो 3 सर्कल. सो सी 1. ये सर्कल हमने किसके लिए बनाया है? ये नंबर के लिए. अभी हमारे पास नीचे कौन सा नंबर है? 3. तो हम कितने और सर्कल बनाएंगे? 3. सो 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay. So 14. नाउ 14 हमने यहाँ पे लिख लिया. अभी कितना नंबर हमें बैकवर्ड जाना है? 3. टेक 3 फिंगर. 14 इन योर माइंड. व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 14? 13, 12, 11. 13, 12, 11. So which number is there? 11. So we'll write down 1, 1, 11. Now one circle for this number. How many numbers are there? 4. So 4 circle. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 17. ये नंबर हमने यहाँ पे लिखा. Now which number is there? 4. So take 4 fingers. Now what comes before 17? 16, 15, 14, 13. 16, 15, 14, 13. So which number is there? 13. So we'll write down 1, 3, 13. Okay. Similarly, you can do D, E and F. Now story sums. There are 5 bananas in the plate. How many bananas are there in the plate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bolu ate 3 bananas. Bolu ने कितने banana खाए? 3. So 5 bananas were there. Now Bolu ate 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 1, 2. So 2. So thus there are 2 bananas left on the plate. Example 2. There are 15 chocolates with Madhurya. मधुरिया के पास कितनी चॉकलेट्स है? 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. She gives 4 चॉकलेट टू हर ब्रदर. मधुरिया ने अपने ब्रदर को कितनी चॉकलेट्स दी? 4. सो 15 माइनस 4. 15 को माइंड में लो और 4 फिंगर्स. व्हाट कम्स बिफोर 15? 14, 13, 12, 11. So 11 is the answer. Now we are going to solve this. Okay. Solve the following subtraction stories. Rashmi bought 8 bangles. रश्मि के पास कितने bangles थे? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 bangles broke. 3 bangles क्या हो गई? टूट गई. How many bangles are left with रश्मि? रश्मि के पास कितनी bangles थी? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ओके. 8 bangles में से कितनी bangles टूट गई? 3. 1, 2, 3. हाउ मैनी आर रिमेनिंग? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सेकेंड, स्वस्तिक हैज़ 9 kites. ओके. स्वस्तिक के पास कितने kites है? 9 kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He gives 2 kites to his sister. स्वस्तिक के पास कितने kites थे? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 kites. उसने अपने सिस्टर को कितने kites दिए? 2. So 1, 2. Now how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 minus 2, 7. So here we'll write 5 bangles. So Rashmi is left with 5 bangles and Swastik is left with 7 kites. Similarly, you can do 3 and 4. Now properties of subtraction. What teacher has taught you in the last lesson? That when we add the number with 0, the answer is the number itself. So now properties of 0. Now we are going to see properties of subtraction. First one is subtracting 0. Children see, 3 apples are there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, minus 0 apples. 0 को हम कोई भी नंबर से माइनस करेंगे तो आंसर जो है वो नंबर ही रहेगा. लाइक सो द आंसर विल बी 3 apples. Okay. Now next one is subtracting 1 from a number. So children, when one number is subtracted from the number the answer is the number just before that number. In addition, what we have learned that when we add one number, so the answer is the after number. Like 4 plus 1 किया तो answer 4 के बाद क्या आता है 5 रहेगा. And when we are subtracting one number from the number, so the answer will be the before number. Like 4 minus 1, so 4 के पहले क्या आता है 3, and 4 minus 1 is also 3. Like 3 apples are there, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 apple. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 apples. So 3 के पहले क्या आता है 2. Now subtracting a number from itself. Fabian gives all the toy cars to Manjeet. How many toy cars are left with the Fabian? See, आप एक नंबर को अगर उसी सेम नंबर से माइनस करोगे तो आंसर विल बी 0. लाइक सी 3 minus 3, 5 minus 5. 3 minus 3, 3 नंबर 1, 2, 3. 3 को 3 से माइनस करोगे तो आंसर विल बी 0. सो 0. 5 minus 5, 5 नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer will be 0. Okay. Now here what we have to do in my practice time 6. So 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, so 1, 2, 3. 3 minus dash is equal to 0. हम सेम नंबर को सेम नंबर से माइनस करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा 0. सो 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Then dash minus 1 is equal to 4. ओके, और 4 किसके बाद में आता है, 4 के बाद में क्या आता है 5. सो 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. D 7 minus 7, सेम नंबर को सेम नंबर से माइनस करेंगे सो द आंसर विल बी 0. ओके, और टीचर ने क्या बताया था, जब हम कोई नंबर किसी नंबर 0 नंबर से माइनस करते हैं सो द आंसर विल बी सेम. सो 5 minus 0 इक्वल टू 5. 5 को अगर 0 से माइनस करेंगे सो आंसर विल बी 5. नाउ हियर 4 minus 0 इक्वल टू 4. So similarly you can do G, H and I at home. So now what we have learned in this, we have learned subtraction, subtracting 0, subtracting 1 from a number, subtracting a number from itself, properties of subtraction by using number strip, by crossing out, by counting backward, vertical subtraction, horizontal subtraction. Okay, so I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you children, we will see you soon.